Afternoon everyone, my name is Gunjan Yogesh Gopal and I am student of Pravakta Academy and she is my sister Kushi.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Kushi Yogesh Gopal. I am student of Pravakta Academy and she is my sister Gunjan. Let's start. मी शाळेत जाते.
I go to school.
तिने टीव्ही पाहिली.
She watch TV.
तो मोबाईल पाहणार.
He will watch mobile.
मी कामाला जात आहे.
Am I going to work?
तो चित्रपट पाहत होता.
He were watching movie.
तिने निबंध लिहिला असेल.
She will be writing an essay.
भूमीने लपाछुपी खेळली आहे.
Bhumi has played hide and seek.
प्राचीने मोबाईल फोडला होता.
Prachi will have broken mobile.
मी 5 तासापासून गाडी चालवत होती.
I have been driving car since last 5 hours.
रुद्र 15 दिवसापासून परीक्षा देत होता.
Rudra had been giving papers since last 15 days.
Thank you.